Hello everyone, this is Ilantrian. Today we are diving into a powerful tool in the world of programming, the triple slash syntax, commonly known as triple slash commands. These are often referred to as documentation commands in various programming languages. Let's see it in action. Imagine we have a class in our code. By simply adding triple slash on top of the class name, magic happens. It generates a default summary for us. It's like documentation at your fingertips. But wait, there are more. You can also use triple slash commands on top of methods. Let's create a simple method that takes a parameter as input. Watch closely as it not only generates a summary but also it includes the parameter information, and the best part, you can write your own detailed description within these summaries. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding.